Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about functions in Kotlin. So let me first create the file. So I'm just right click on src folder. Here you can just click on new Kotlin class file. Here you can just give the name of your file, for example function demo, and then you can just double click on file. Then your function demo.kotlin file will be created. Then you can simply minimize over here. Now I want to simply create one function and the function name is print name. Here inside the print name function, I want to take a name as an argument from the user. So I'm just declaring here name and the data type is string. This function will return nothing, and whenever your function is returning nothing, you can simply return a data type that is unit. Unit means functions is returning nothing. So now here in this function you can simply print a line, and here inside println you can simply write hello and then you can write dollar name. So whatever the user has passed the name and with the hello string it will be printed. Now let me write the function main, and from function main I want to call this function print name. So I'm just calling my own function, that is print name. Now I'm providing here name and the name is, for example, Parag. Now whenever I run this particular function demo.kotlin file, it will simply print the message, and the message will be what? That is hello Parag. Why it printing hello Parag? Just because my Parag is passed as a name parameter over here and it is combining with the hello, and it simply print the message that is hello Parag. Now I want to create one more function with the default parameter. It means that if user not provide any solution, then I want to by default add the Mr. So here I'm creating one more version of the function, and the function name is print name with solution. So now this function has the two arguments. One is the name and the second one is the solution. Data type is string, but now this solution is fixed, so I'm just writing here equal to and Mr. It means if user not provide any solution parameter in a function calling, then by default Mr. will be added. For example, let me write here print ln. Now I'm writing hello, then I'm using the solution that is dollar solution, and now I'm writing here that is dollar name. Now I'm calling the function that is print name with solution, but I'm providing only one argument and the argument is name. So I'm just providing here Parag. But what is the difference between the first variety and the second variety? In first variety, there is no default argument is there. But in second variety, default argument is there. If I am not passing any solution, then by default Mr. will be added to this Parag. So whenever you run this particular file, that is run function demo.kotlin file, you will get the two different variety. One is the hello Parag and another one is the hello Mr. Parag. Why I'm getting like this? Very simple. Whenever you have a default parameter and if you are not providing the parameter value, then by default parameter will be added over here. But interesting is what you can call the same function with the different solution. For example, I'm just writing here, and that is again I'm providing here Parag, but now I'm providing here solution is dr, and that is doctor, right? So whenever you call this, that run function demo.kotlin file, you will get the three different output. One is hello Parag, another is hello Mr. Parag, and third one is the hello Dr. Parag. And this is known as a, that is default argument. Here you can change the order of the argument also. For example, I'm just writing here print name with the solution. Now I'm providing the solution first. That is solution is equal to, and that is for example Miss, and I'm providing the name is equal to, and that is Sita. Now I'm running this, that is run function demo.kotlin file. Now you will get the output, and that is Miss Sita, that is hello Miss Sita. So you can say that here you can provide the name of your argument also. Even you can change the order of the argument also if you are providing the named argument, and you can use the default argument also. One more thing that you need to note is what? If you are not writing the return type over here, then by default it is a unit. Unit means it returning nothing. So if you are not writing here colon unit, it means if you are omitting this, then by default Kotlin is taking a, that is return type is unit. It means it returning nothing. Now I want to discuss about the function which returns some value. For example, I want to add the two numbers which returns the integer value. So I'm creating one more function over here, and the function name is sum. Now I have two variable, number one that is integer, number two that is also a integer. Now here in this function you can simply do what? That is return number one plus number two. Now this function should return a value. So here you can write colon integer. So this function is returning integer. Now you can call this function over here. So I'm just writing here that is println, and here inside the println you can just write that is total is equal to, now you can call your function, and the function name is that is sum. So inside sum you can pass the two different values, for example 23 and 29. Now you can simply run this particular code, that is run function demo.kotlin file. So now it will give me the output that is total is equal to 52. Why it is 52? Just because 23 plus 29 is equal to 52. Sometimes people says that, sir, can we write a single expression function which returns the integer? Yes, we can. For example, let me write the one more variety over here, that is the function multiply. And here you can just write that is number one colon, for example, integer. Number two is also an integer. Now I'm writing here equal to number one multiply by number two. So this function will do the multiplication of the two numbers. If you want to call this particular function, then you can call like the same way you did the sum function. For example, I'm writing here that is multiply is equal to, and now I'm calling the function that is dollar multiply. I'm providing the value, for example 10 and 20. So it should return me that is 200. You can run function demo.kotlin file and you will get the output that is multiply is equal to 200. So what we discussed, very simple, function without return value, function with return value, function with default argument, function with named argument, and function with the changing the argument. In the next video of the Kotlin, we will talk about function with the variable number of arguments. So that's it from my side. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.